वास्को सडा जेलीत 16 सप्टेंबराक संजय चौहान हाचेर सुजीत कुमार सिंग हांणी हल्लो केल्लो. संजय चौहान हो फाटल्या कांय दिसां सावन गोमेकोत उपचार घेतालो. बुधवारा ताका मरण आयलें. वास्को पुलीस ह्या विशीं फुडलो तपास करतात अशी माहिती पुलीस निरीक्षक कपिल नायक हांणी दिल्या. आरडीएक्सको खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
On 16th September, we received a wireless message from Casualty Police Bamboli informing that one inmate, that is under trial prisoner Sanjay Chauhan, is admitted in GMC Bamboli as a case of assault in a jail. So accordingly, we conducted an inquiry, and in that we came to know that the said under trial prisoner has been assaulted. So we sent a letter to Assistant Superintendent of Jail to conduct the inquiry regarding this matter and submit his report. So accordingly, Assistant Superintendent of Jail conducted an inquiry and lodged his complaint on 28 September that one Sujit Kumar Singh, who was also the under trial prisoner from Sub Jail Sada, assaulted the Sanjay Chauhan, and due to which he is admitted in GMC. So accordingly, we registered the offence under section 325 since the injuries were grievous and our investigation was in progress. So on 5th October, we received a wireless message from Casualty Police that the Sanjay Chauhan under trial prisoner is expired. So accordingly, we added section 302 to the crime, and intimation was given to the SDM for further necessary formalities, as the accused is from Sub Jail Sada and he was admitted from Sub Jail Sada. So now the inquest and postmortem is awaited, which should be conducted by the magistrate, and on our side our further investigation is in progress.